Friends, today we will learn about a tale of valor, chapter 4, Major Somnath Sharma and the Battle of Budgaon. There is this summary. This chapter tells the inspiring story of Major Somnath Sharma, the first Indian soldier to receive the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military award for bravery. Sharma. For the extraordinary bravery, leadership, and ultimate sacrifice at the young age of 24, Major Somnath Sharma was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra. His legacy continues to inspire soldiers and citizens as a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made for the nation's freedom. हिंदी में भी है इसकी काम। हम इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। देन यहाँ पर है, देखिए जैसे भी क्वेश्चन है। Your Major Somnath last words. What might have been the outcome of Battle of Budgaon? Major Somnath and competence had not held their ground. Major Somnath Sharma last words I can explain you now. Then यहाँ पर मल्टीपल चॉइस, यहाँ पर कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट पैसेज। ट्रिब्यूट टू VIII मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा। ये है पैराग्राफ 1, देन पैराग्राफ 2, ये आंसर है इसके। Answer. The paragraph 3, enemy 50 yards from us, we are heavily outnumbered. This is the last words. These are the last words Somnath said at last moment. The enemy is only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are unable to devastating. The shall not wit a inch, but will fight to the last man and the last round. इस क्वेश्चन भी है इसके क्वेश्चन के आंसर भी है। जो सोमनाथ शर्मा said you would fight to the last man and the last dash, ये इसका आंसर है। Situation described as difficult and extra because soldiers were outnumbered and under heavy attack. And last word ये है, Major Somnath Sharma refused to surrender despite being heavily outnumbered. He vowed not to withdraw an inch and pledged to fight to the last man and the last round. Major Somnath Sharma's death led to his men immediately withdrawing from the battle.